Hi friend, how are you today? So today I will tell you how you can edit or modify your details with ALice Blue. That can be your bank account, your mobile number, your email ID, your address, and you also can generate a call and trade pin for ALice Blue account. So they have very simple procedure. So just follow that. So simply you have to click on this link. I will keep this link in description. Just click on this link and log in. So you have to log in with your client ID and your Ant Desk password or your mobile app password or your Nest password. So just simply put ID here. After that your password. After that you have to give the answer of your security questions. So on you have to go on profile page. So first you can edit your email ID. You just have to click on this. You have to enter your new email ID here. After that you will receive a new OTP on your new email ID. So just you have to put that OTP here. Your email ID will be changed within 24 to 48 hours. After that you can change your mobile number. So just simply put any mobile number here. Suppose I have put 9411210234. When I will continue, I will get a OTP on my number which I entered just now. So I have to put that OTP here. After that uh, my mobile number will be changed for this account. Okay, but I don't want to change. I just want to inform you that how to change it. So I am not going to put that OTP here. So again you can modify your address. So just you have to click here. Then you have to fill the address as per your proof. So that must be exact same as per your proof, and you can attach your Aadhaar card, your bank passbook, or your driving license, or your passport, anything. You can choose here that file. You have to attach a PDF or your or JPG file here and click verify. Your address will be changed between 24 to 48 hours. After that you can edit or you can modify your bank statement. So currently this client has uh, bank State Bank of India linked with his account. So suppose he want to modify or he want to add. So simply he have to click on this. Need to enter account number, IFSC code, MICR code, and have to attach the file of bank statement or cancel check. You have to keep in mind if you are attaching a bank statement, your IFSC code, MICR code, and account, these three details must be clear and be available on the proof. So suppose you have a bank statement like Kerala Bank. Kerala Bank has only account number and account holder name, but it doesn't have IFSC code and MICR code. So what you need to do, you have to put check if in case your bank does not showing any IFSC code or MICR code on it. Okay. After that, you can generate your call and trade pin. Okay, you just have to click on generate, then a pin will be shown here. This was the things I shared in this video. If you want to open an account for your friend or anyone, you will get a link in description as well. You can register on that link and open your account. Thanks for watching.